Hi guys.
Hi.
How you doing? How you feeling today?
Good, but Juliet has a fever.
The baby okay?
Can I remove that just for a minute?
Oh.
Let's take a little break from it, okay? What up, fam basic? Welcome to the Raider house. Another sick day in the life of our family.
Look at the sky. She has boogers.
Oh, bloody boogers.
Ew.
Oh, let's just leave him alone. It is actually almost 2 o'clock now. We're waiting for Abram to come home with mommy. Mommy's getting a board game so we can play as a family today.
We're gonna have a family time playing a board game?
Yeah, you excited?
Uh-huh.
We did it for you.
Really?
Yeah,
Why?
because we love you.
Oh.
So cold, guys, that polar vortex. We're getting a little bit of it, I think. Not much of it. It's like, what is it, like negative 50 over there? Here it's like 50. What you getting down there?
I'm gonna get a snack. One of these snacks.
What are you gonna choose? Something healthy? I don't think you have a choice.
Can you peel me and Juliet some oranges?
Sure.
We love oranges.
Oh, baby, what do you want?
Like
You want vitamins?
She said, I want vitamins and passy. The dentist goodie bag! Cool!
You got a goodie bag from the dentist?
So I got the dentist plug and the dentist mask. What's you decide?
Where'd you
What's
go?
your favorite?
A hacky sack?
Yeah, the basketball one this time.
Nice.
And you catch.
Okay.
Yeah. We got new board games today!
This game that they kind of halfway open called Don't Step in It.
We're so tired of our kids' potty humor all the time that today we're just going to embrace it.
One of those games where you make your own poop out of Play-Doh.
Hi.
And just not step
But
in
how do
it.
we even make poop out of Play-Doh?
How about we just use real poop, guys?
No! Yes!
Yeah.
Okay, when the board gets out, I'll just poop out some poop on there, okay? Okay? And then we all can walk on that, okay?
Yeah.
This is how you make the poop. Yeah, but you're not supposed to, well, we don't really use this is the blindfolded.
Oh.
No, Symphony, you put the Play-Doh in here and then
Got you on
snap
camera.
it.
Just have to keep things in line. Sometimes she tries to take over. It's just the girl inside of her, but I gotta rein her
It's
back
the
in. a
big
little
sister in her.
bit. Just push it in a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you kind of pull it out, and there you go. You have a poop mold.
It's an imperfect excrement, but it'll do. It'll do. Get it? It'll do.
All right, Symphony has placed her poop. I would just like to point out that I made that one. I know. Don't be too disgusted by me and my poop art.
All right, Abram made 3 turds. He's going to spread them out on the yard. The youngest person goes first.
Oh, someone's definitely getting on that one. So we might need to take off our socks.
Yeah, no socks.
Yeah, no socks. Socks will exit out of the game because Play-Doh will stick right onto them.
You spin it for Symphony when she puts the mask on, and she spins it for you.
Mommy, it's so dark. I won't even.
Wait. I gotta attach it.
I'm gonna get.
All right, so what that means,
Take away.
6 steps and remove 1 poop. Yeah.
1,
2. Oh!
Ah.
Keep walking.
4, 5, 6.
Oh, nice job, buddy. Nice
He did
job.
too many though. He did 6.
You stepped on 1 poop, and you knocked over in 1, so you're good.
How many steps?
Oh, 6 steps, and we get to add 1. Add that to the grass. Don't tell her where you're putting it. Nice.
6 steps.
6 little steps.
1, 2.
No, that's not a step.
3.
2. That's 2.
Oh, that's 2.
She has to.
3.
3. 4. 5.
6.
Okay, good job. Stop there.
Hey, I'm gonna go again. Please, I'm gonna go again.
Symphony spinning for mommy. Abram's putting the blindfold on.
Okay. We need a second, mommy.
3.
Okay, hold on.
We have to rearrange this. See, got it.
But you can't walk. Oh, Symphony made it hard. All right, honey.
She did, only because I've seen her.
3
Take
steps.
off your socks.
3 steps.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1.
Ah! 1, 2. Oh, nice. She stepped in 2. 2. 2 poops. So
Mommy won.
so far Symphony's winning.
I won.
Wait,
I won.
I have.
Daddy has to
I
go.
haven't gone.
Hey, I got 2, so I win. 2. No, I win because I got 0.
Symphony, you made it hard. Good job.
I 4 steps.
4 steps?
Yes.
All right, here we go. We found the grass.
There's the grass.
1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
It feels so real. It feels so real.
What? Did you win?
Yeah, I won because I got 0.
Good job. We'll do round 2.
All right, bud. Second round. Blindfold yourself.
Okay.
1, 2. Oh.
What? Daddy, that was way too easy for it.
He did good.
You made that way too easy.
Good job, buddy. Did you cheat? He cheated. He peeked.
Yeah.
Did you?
He peeked out of it.
Abram.
It's
That's
okay.
because it wasn't going my own.
Hey, don't cry about it, bud.
It's okay. We just won't do it
You
again.
can't.
Let's do
You
it
got to
again.
keep your head up, okay? Here, try
Let's do a
again.
redo.
This time, don't
It's
cheat.
gonna keep on doing that.
No, you just got to keep your head up. Don't look
I'll
down.
help you. Come on. I'll make it tighter.
That's why I'm gonna cry.
That's why you need what?
That's why I'm gonna cry because on my eye.
I'm gonna crash.
I'm gonna cry because on my eye.
All right. How about just close your eyes?
Oh, that's a good idea.
How about close and
I'm
hold?
still gonna cry.
How about close your eyes and hold my hand? I'm gonna hold your
Oh,
hand
that's
so
a
you
good idea.
so you don't crash in
We're
anything.
not in your way. We're not going to let you crash.
You don't like the blindfold?
Please, why you when I get there, I'm gonna cry soon.
No, we won't
Abram,
stand
it's
there.
part of the game, buddy.
We won't stand there.
We're not gonna let you hit anything.
Why do they even have to have that match?
You asked for this game.
Bud, you gotta stop crying, all right, buddy? Come on, we can do this. Come on, let's try again. Stop, don't cry about it. We're supposed to be having
That one's a
fun.
little messy.
All right, rearrange them. Put your head up, buddy. Look at the ceiling. Oh, you don't want to play? He doesn't want to play.
Look at me. Look at Mama. I understand you're frustrated because this makes you feel nervous. When I close my eyes and do things, it would make me feel nervous too. But look, there's nothing in your way right here that you could run into. You're not gonna.
Here's the train.
Abram,
I don't think your feet.
you
will
don't
hit
have
the
to
train
play.
door.
Look, buddy, you don't have to play. It's just a game. You don't want to play anymore? That's how you play the game. You blindfold yourself.
Why can't we just play that headband?
When we're done playing, we want to play this right now.
Mhm.
So you can go sit down while we play this game. Or you can be the spinner. You want to be the spinner? All right, you spin, and the rest of us will go.
I can see, but I don't look.
All right, buddy, spin that wheel. Spin that wheel. Spin that wheel. All right, what's it gonna be, buddy? What's it gonna be?
You cheated.
I just
6 steps, but remove 1 poop.
1.
Head up. Hey, you can't feel it.
That's what me and Cuff did when we played it. You cheated.
What's the point of the game? You're supposed to just take the step.
Hey,
Our
Daddy.
kids.
Daddy,
They ruined the game. You guys ruined it.
Hey,
Come on, honey. This is you and me play. Game's over for the kids. Mommy and Daddy want to play for a little bit.
Daddy.
Symphony, you can blindfold us. Avery, you can still spin. And that's
Daddy,
it.
well,
Unbelievable.
I'm not gonna play the game. I want to play a bowl game.
I said you could do the spinner, bud.
That's not fun.
Go to your room. Go. Have you thought about what happened, buddy?
Yes.
What went wrong in there, man?
I won.
What else happened?
I don't remember.
You cheated.
I cheated.
It's alright, honey. I love you.
Slowly, sweetly, slowly, baby. Okay. Slowly, daddy.
What can we do differently next time?
I cannot be as bossy as I was this time and not cheat. That's the way we played it at Cuff's house. That's the only reason I did it.
It's really important when we're playing a game that we put having fun with our friends and family above winning.
Okay.
Kids are playing outside now.
I gotta do my push-ups. Daddy, watch!
Juliet, what's her name? What? You're gonna bury the kitty? I don't know if she appreciates that. Uh-oh. She's trying to wag it, Jules. Oreo, leave her alone. Oh, Jules. Jules. You okay? You wanna come inside? Your nose is bleeding again, baby. Come inside. Jules actually got scratched by the cat. Look at this. What the heck? I didn't even see that happen. I was watching her the whole time. Guess we can't play with that kid anymore, can we? She came in grabbing her cheek. I had no idea she got scratched. I just watched the video back and she did get scratched by the cat. That was so sad. And Oreo jumped in to try to protect her. I had no idea that was going on. I told Oreo to stop. We had to get rid of that cat.
Yeah, let's get her out
They're
of
scratching
here.
the kids.
Get that kitty out of here. Go bye-bye, Minnie.
Aw, and then her nose was bleeding right afterwards. I guess she like hit her face and then hit her nose.
Her nose has actually been bleeding all day. Like her snot's been coming out red.
Okay, then she just like tapped her nose and tapped it out.
Yeah, I guess so.
We got a situation on our hands.
A big one.
This little boy shot Abram right in the face. Oh, he's saying sorry maybe. How cute. They made up. He shot him right in the face and ran with the Nerf gun. Really upset Abram. What happened out there?
Oh my gosh. Okay. She said, I heard my son hit and ran. And then she looked at him and said, buddy, we don't hit. Even if it's an accident, you got to say sorry. So she told her, she said, shake his hand like a little young man. And they shook hands. It was awkward. And then that was it. And then the little boy did the floss.
Was Abram okay?
Abram was okay, yeah.
Alright guys, we're reading out of the Answer Book for Kids, Volume 4. Tell me when to stop.
Whoa.
Alright, the question comes from Danielle F. Did Adam and Eve go to heaven? Well, Danielle, the Bible doesn't say for sure if Adam and Eve went to heaven or believed God's promise of the coming Savior. I think that the Bible shows that it is a good possibility. Look at our verse above from the great big chapter of Hebrews. God tells us that Abel offered an excellent sacrifice to God, that he had faith, and that he was made righteous.
Dear God, thank you for this day. Thank you for our vitamins. And thank you that we had the best day ever. And I pray that tomorrow, if we have game time again, that me and Abram won't be mean to each other. And Abram won't lie. And we won't cheat this time. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. That's a good prayer. Well, today, guys, was a crazy day. We said we wanted to be more raw and more open. And so we filmed a little bit of the mess that happened after the game and right now. Guys, so there you go, guys. We gave it to you. We both grew up in broken homes. Not much parental education. I wouldn't say the ideal parenting as far as me growing up.
We didn't have both to model after.
Yeah.
So no matter how great either of our moms did, I mean, we still just
both
didn't have
and teamwork to model after. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Nia and I are trying to do it differently. We're trying to do, you know, our parents did better probably than their parents did, and we're trying to do better than they did. And so we're going to do things wrong in parenting. But what we're working on now is learning to
respond
instead
of react. We just want to learn how to get on their level without like stooping to their level.
Yeah, exactly. So kids will react. They'll react emotionally, and if you're reacting as well, how are you any better than the kid? So we're working on responding to the situation and doing it in a way that our kids will learn how to think through their emotions and not just shut them down when they're being emotional.
Yeah, which is something I'm guilty of. I feel like I'm like, nope, stop. We're not dealing with that. And so it's taking a lot of self-control. I'm really learning how to
sometimes you do have to do that.
Yeah.
When they're doing it on purpose. But Abram was embarrassed that he cheated and then he broke down. That's what happened. He was embarrassed.
Yeah, he was. I saw it.
That was part of it. So he was actually reacting to his embarrassment. So for us just to shut it down, no, we're not doing the game's over. Instead, we got down on his level and we negotiated with him. We connected his emotional mind with his logical mind and helped him to think while he was being emotional. And that's what we want to raise our kids to do. So anyway, guys, we'll catch you tomorrow. Don't forget, he loves you. And remember to love each other.
Say bye, guys. Can you say bye? Say, we love you.
I love you.
Go to your room. I told you if you cry again, you're going to your room. Come on. Hey, you stepped in a poop. You lose.
Be the hand that you can't hold when you can't make it on your own. I promise you are not alone. We're in this together.